Yeah. So what I was saying that uh, there are around 300 FDPs being approved by AICTE, and some of them were during the month of June and July, and those were mainly towards this teaching learning process, COPO mapping, and the how to teach on a virtual platform. So all the technical things started sometimes from September. And if you look at this kind of FTPs, there are many. So this kind means, what I mean is something which on deep learning, something which on machine learning, and maybe augmented reality, virtual reality, blockchain. So all these buzzwords. Okay, and there are many such works of FDPs, which precisely you can find many of them on the thrust area. There are categories: thrust area and then engineering. So this is under the engineering category, but having this machine learning as the title. So normally those who are interested for the machine learning, they look for the category that is a thrust area, and there you will find many. But still then you have selected this particular FDP. So I'm really thankful to all of you. Without having participants, definitely there cannot be any such faculty development program. So again and again, I'm thankful to each one of you. Secondly, as we know, nothing is known as perfect. So I don't claim at all this workshop as a perfect one. Okay, whatever could be possible, I tried in terms of selecting the platform. Okay, maybe it is not the ideal platform. There are many other FDPs going on many different platforms, which I may not be knowing also. So whatever little knowledge I have, and based on that, how I thought that is the best way to execute. And Also there is Zoom. I'm familiar to these two only, Zoom and this Google Meet. And strictly there was some instruction from the hotel people or the AICT side not to use Zoom. So the only option available with me was the Google Meet. So that is why this is the platform, and I don't know how much data it consumes and why you people keep your camera always off. Maybe you don't want to be visible to others. It is your own choice. So that is why it is a Google platform. And secondly, I don't claim that everything went fine from my side also. Maybe in terms of communicating with you, maybe in terms of accepting your candidate, or when you applied and maybe I took some time to accept your application. So always you'll find some gaps are there. But whatever best I could do, I did. And with the support of my uh, other fellow colleagues, and also the support of the KIT management side. And had it been on campus, this was, I think I applied in the month of March, and then the idea is to have it on campus. So now I can see the benefit of both the sides. Had it been in on campus, I don't think so many people could have participated or come to Bhubaneswar. But the positive side is, had it been on campus, KIT is really a huge not, I don't say it is a campus. There are total around 29 different schools. It is something unique. So if anybody can come to Bhubaneswar anytime you come to KIT, I request you to at least visit that particular university. Okay, the founder is Dr. Achyut Saman. He really has some different vision, and the way the things have been constructed, the way the things have been managed is something different. I have become a part of the KIT recently, that is September 2019 only I joined KIT. But before that I never imagined that it is such a big university. Okay, in my own department only, I have 105, around 105 faculties. Many are also present here. Okay, so I have never seen a single department having 105 faculties on teaching faculties. Forget about the other supporting staffs. So that is one thing I am missing. If this would have been conducted in the campus, definitely the campus tour along with the tour, that is the city Bhubaneswar, would have been added some value in your memory which you would never forget. Okay, but that thing is not there. That is the negative thing I can feel. But the positive part also, I can see that being on a virtual platform, I can see that people are joined without having the issue of traveling to Bhubaneswar. Again, considering the COVID-19 situation with all these restrictions, being at home also, you can participate and you can learn something new. Okay. So second thing, I don't claim that I have covered everything of machine learning, nor I have covered everything of the applications of machine learning. But this is just to give you a feel. These are the fields available. These are the things can be considered when you start learning machine learning or start using for different applications. So with this, again, I personally thank all of you. Now I would like to listen from you people. I would like to take your feedback so that in future, if I conduct this kind of workshop again, whatever problems are there, if anything has gone wrong, I'll try to rectify it. It is not only me, as a whole, I am taking this for my department, for my school, for my university. So I welcome anybody wants to say something.
Good afternoon, madam.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Ma'am, actually, I'm from Indus College of Engineering, Bhubaneswar. As you
Okay.
mentioned, if it will be a campus on-campus APP program, then it will be more better. As I'm known to KIT University, and I've seen I'm from Bhubaneswar itself. But
Okay.
it will be a really very good opportunity to be into the KIT campus and to visit there and to attend some program over there. It will
So have you been
really,
to KIT
yes,
campus?
madam.
It is not
I
a
have.
single campus. There are many
No, no,
campuses.
I know, madam. I've not visited all the schools, but I've visited School
Even
of
I
Computer
also
Science.
don't know.
I've only
Okay.
visited with School of Computer Science.
Yeah, yeah. It
I don't
consists
think
of total 28 or 29.
ma'am,
Maybe
it's
Patra sir,
huge.
you can say how many campuses are there.
It's really called a huge campus. It's a huge word may be used.
And all the campuses are having their own garden, all the hostels having their own swimming pool, all the sports and all the amenities available to the hostels separately.
Ma'am, New Bhubaneswar, if it has been developed only because of KIT itself, because that's
Okay,
100%
okay,
KIT has been developed.
okay. So,
And being in virtual platform, it is really a good opportunity to attend the program and to get the knowledge. As mentioned on the inauguration day, Dr. Sasikumar sir mentioned that in one day attending 3-4 programs in 3 different 4 locations, it would not be possible physically if it will be there, but in virtual platform it is possible. Uh, Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity, and I'll be really glad
my pleasure.
meeting you in future. Thank you.
Yeah, next, anybody else? Rohini ma'am, can you hear me? Yes, ma'am. Say something.
Ma'am, on mute. Rohini, ma'am, on mute yourself.
I don't know whether she's there or it is.
Problem, I think. They're making on again, it
She's
is
from
off.
Nagpur, so before she emailed me twice regarding her accepting her candidate. Yeah, ma'am, do you want to say something? No. Ma'am, unmute yourself. No, ma'am, I'm not getting your voice.
I
Yes.
think some problem.
No, I can't hear you. Anybody else? I'm not looking at the faculties from KIT. With them, I can talk later on. I want to have the feedback from all the external participants.
Ma'am, this is
Yeah,
Aradhana.
Aradhana, tell me.
Ma'am, first of all, big congratulations. It was a very informative and a very good session. All the sessions were so nicely covered right from the basic. I'm a person who's not very well conversed with machine learning and Python, and still I came to know so many basic things. And there are books which talk about what is what, but there are very few people who tend to tell you why it is there, and what is the exact application of the same. And I think the things were covered in a great extent to from basics, and it was amazing. And secondly, only because it was online, I could attend it right here from Mumbai, and I feel the coverage has been so great. I could see in the participants list, people are from Nagpur, there are some people from South India, some from North India. So all these people, I feel they were able to attend. And a person like me who plays 3 different roles today, I'm a mother, I'm a full-time maid at my house, and I'm a working faculty in my office. And all 3 roles simultaneously are going on. And this was possible only and only because this was online.
Right,
So
right.
I will not lie to you that sometimes I used to take my phone and I had my headsets on, and I used to do my other household work also, which is of course necessary.
Yes.
So in Mumbai, the conditions are very bad. So
Right now, I'm in Bombay also, so I
you're
know.
also in Mumbai, ma'am. Oh, great.
Yeah. Right now, I'm in Bombay.
Oh, good to know, ma'am.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
so I feel, ma'am, in future also, if you're organizing these events, please also keep an option of online, so that a few of us who cannot come to Bhubaneswar, then he can attend online, and he can also get the
Right,
benefit
right.
of getting all this information. And I can tell you one thing, ma'am. This was one of the I will not call it one of the, this was the best FDP that I have attended in this entire
Thank you,
COVID
thank you.
lockdown situation, and it was very good, ma'am. So I really enjoyed all the sessions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And thank you the whole kids team, that such an amazing initiative was taken, and this program was organized for all of us. And thank you, ma'am, especially for letting me know and solving my smallest of the doubts even one night before. That was really nice of you. Thank you. Thanks again.
Okay. Anybody else?
Listen to me now, Rohini.
Yeah, Rohini, yeah.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes, Rohini, tell me.
Yeah. So even I'm also saying the same. Very much thankful that you send me it on WhatsApp, because we made last year at Mumbai. So I was like very happy informing me about HTTP. And let me tell you one thing. Day before I was about to cancel it, because I had 2 COVID patients at my home currently.
Oh.
So even though 2 patients being at home, I somehow managed to listen to all the sessions except 1 or 2. But then I felt so happy after attending all the sessions that I could have missed, if at all I would not have registered, or I would not have attended the sessions. So I'm feeling so happy about all the sessions. Theory as well as practical sessions, they are being handled. They all were nice. They all were informative. They have imparted a great amount of knowledge to all the participants, and as well as thank you for giving me the information, and also arranging such a nice FDP.
Thank you, ma'am. Anybody else?
Hello, ma'am. I'm from KD. Good evening, ma'am.
Wait, maybe Uma.
Yes.
Uma, go.
Yes,
Yeah, Uma.
ma'am.
Yeah, Uma, continue.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I'm Mrs. Uma Gurov from KD's College of Engineering, Kolhapur, Maharashtra. I have actually, you said that it was not so perfect workshop, but according to me, it was very well planned and a perfect workshop for me, at least, since I'm doing PhD currently, and my topic is LSTM LBL based model for stock market prediction. And it was the whatever information you delivered and the way you explained, especially last session and all, that was very useful for my work. Looking after the kids at home, as well as earlier person, I don't remember her name, looking after officers job, delivering the lectures at college, as well as simultaneously attending this workshop. But still, even if I got disturbed a little bit in between, but still whatever I attended, I delivered full knowledge to me. And of course it was not possible for me, being having small kids, to travel to Bhubaneswar and attend this kind of really good workshop. And it was all possible since it was online workshop. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Please keep on giving intimations of such kind of workshops. I would like to attend in future also. Thanks.
Sure,
Thanks
sure,
a lot,
sure.
ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Anybody else next?
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good
This is
evening.
Ramkumar from Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
So I'm working as a professor in Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology. Actually, I'm also working in the domain of biomedical instrumentation as well as signal processing in the computational intelligence techniques. So actually, so I had my view over the optimization strategy on the particle swarm optimization, genetic algorithm, and so on. So whatever it is coming under the artificial neural networks. Actually, so I attended few workshops on convolutional neural networks as well as the deep learning, and LSTM it is new for me. And actually, the concepts whatever you have delivered and the way of organizing, so in terms of the different programming, computational, whatever you have been executed. So everything it is well done and it is well planned actually. And it would have been better if the morning session, everything, if it is gone theoretically, and in the afternoon session, if we had the hands-on training session, so I think so it will be it creating the learning session for us. So if we had attended live, so we would have been getting this opportunity in getting the hands-on training. So that's what only is what we had. Other than that, everything is fantastic and the learning is good. And it is a very good platform, and so you had also delivered a good lecture. So the last session, that's what I want to say. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Anybody else? Any more feedbacks?
Hello.
Good evening.
From Babu Banarsidas Engineering College, Lucknow. I would like to congratulate you and your entire team for organizing such a wonderful and informative event, FDP. Being an alumni of KIT University, I feel so overwhelmed to share my views and feedback. All sessions were very good, very knowledgeable, and lot of information we get from this about machine learning. I would be more happy if this FDP would have been happened offline. I would like to visit my campus again. So
Yeah, you are always welcome.
the overall session was very
You are
good.
always welcome to visit KIT campus.
Okay.
Anybody, whether there is some FDP or not, anytime you want to come and visit our campus, please let us know. I am not the only faculty from KIT here. There are other 6-7 faculties I can see in the screen. So anybody you can contact, and you are always welcome to visit KIT campus.
Okay.
It is
Thank you
something
so
one should visit. Alka, you may be knowing also since you are a student, you said.
Yes, ma'am. 2014 batch. Tech Computer Science School. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. That was an amazing session. Thank you.
Yeah. Anybody else?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sushil.
Ma'am, this is Sushil Kumar.
Right.
Actually, thank you, ma'am, for giving me opportunity. I mean, you just pinged me the whole message on WhatsApp that this is an FTP going on. So just register yourself. So now I see that this session was really very helpful for me because I was under you only practicing machine learning.
Right.
So you were the one who guided me from the scratch. You taught me machine learning, deep learning, everything. And even today also, all the researches that I'm doing, it is under you only. So yeah. So it's a really nice platform that you have given to us, because right now I am not a full-time machine learning practitioner, or not I'm working as a full-time machine learning engineer, but yes, I do remove my 2-3 hours daily to do the research on my thing, and I believe this session gave me that small ideas that I think I needed that thing, because I think that for every small thing I was pinging you also on the WhatsApp that, ma'am, this is the doubt, this was the things. So I think this FDP cleared all those small doubts. So
Okay.
thank you, ma'am, for organizing this session.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
yeah.
Yeah. Anybody else? Okay. So let us stop it. It is already going to 5 p.m. You people may be having other work. So two things you have to do now. One is in that Otl portal, after you sign in, you will find a link to submit your feedback. Okay, so go to that link and submit your feedback, whatever questionnaires you'll find. Give your fair opinion, fair feedback. Apart from that, I'll be sharing with you two Google Forms. One is again in a form of feedback to take your opinion, so that in future we can conduct this kind of FDP in a better way. Second is the test. So as you know, conducting a test is again mandatory. So unless you submit your test or appear for that test, I won't be in a position to enter the marks, and in that case your certificate will not be generated. So first of all, you have to give your feedback, you have to appear for the test, and also you have to submit your feedback, that is the Google form I'll be sharing with you. Many have asked me how much time you will get for the quiz. I am not keeping it as 1 hour or couple of hours. I should get your response today only. That's it. So tomorrow when I'll do the entry, I should have some marks available with me, which I can enter in the portal. And second thing, regarding the attendance. To some of you, I have written that I found that you were absent for consecutively 2 days. That way, if I look at the guideline of the hotel, minimum attendance required is 80%. So somebody is absent for continuously 2 days is not eligible to continue or get the attendance of 80%. That way, I think already I have emailed to few of you, and also some have responded it. So whatever response I have received, I will again look at it. And before I submit the final thing, definitely again I'll be in touch with each one of you personally. You'll get some email from me. And it is not that I'm looking at the attendance for the each and every session. I'm maintaining the attendance every day. So whoever has logged in, whether it is for only one session or it is for all the sessions, I get that or the list of those names through this app. Second thing, also I have said you to enter your names in the chat box. I didn't get time to look at those chat box during these 5 days. So I think many have responded to my email saying that yes, they have entered their name in the chat box. I'll definitely look at it and see if I have missed some names. I will add those names to the attendance, and whatever best I can do, I'll do. I'm not that rigid towards the attendance. Okay, but definitely you should respond to the quiz. Okay, any queries anybody is having? Else we can declare that this FTP is over.
Thank you, madam.
Welcome.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Welcome. Yes,
Ma'am, you'll be sending the form for quiz on email.
I'll be sending the link.
Okay, link you'll be
that
sending.
is in Google Forms. I'll be sending the link.
Okay.
So in
Ma'am,
2
we are
minutes
going
I'll be sending.
We are going to send the link on mail.
Sorry, mail for what?
For Google Forms.
Yes. I'll be emailing.
Actually, ma'am, I think over here the Rediff we have given the Rediff mail ID, and the mail has been crashed. I think so. The Rediff mail is.
Do you want to post the link in the chat box? I don't think whether you'll be able to open it. So what is the mode of communicating with you?
Can we take it from others?
And that link, yeah. It is
Because,
just a link anybody can forward to you also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, in case you don't get the link directly through your email because you are on a different email, so you can request your friends to forward that same message to you.
Okay. Can I post
Okay.
my mail ID on this mail, on this chat box, so that you can add it?
Okay, you can add it to the chat box. Yes, I can add.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the deadline for submitting the quiz?
Today. I am not keeping the time, but it is day today.
Okay.
Okay, and there also it is that 60% score, minimum 60% score is required. But I think the questions are very simple, and in this half an hour also I'll be sending the PPTs to you. Okay, so the speakers have given the questions corresponding to their presentation. So I hope the questions are from their presentations only. So I'll be sending right now the 2 links and the present PPTs also. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
Welcome.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually you told to give the feedback in AICT Atal portal.
Right.
Like after going by logging in with our email and password.
No,
Can
no.
give the
You
feedback?
have the Atal portal, your login ID, right? How
Yes,
did
I
you
have.
register for this WhatsApp?
Yes, I have the email ID and password.
In that you'll find one link where you click and it is mentioned there, feedback.
Okay, it is mentioned over there.
Yes, yes. So if you don't submit your feedback, your certificate will not be generated. So 3 things are required to generate the certificate. First is your feedback. Second is I'll be entering your attendance. And third is I'll be entering your marks.
Ma'am, still submit feedback on Atal portal is not yet enabled. I mean,
Because I was talking to few of the participants, they said that it is enabled.
Yes, but enabled.
But
Now I
now it's working?
yes,
But-
yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. I'll try again. Maybe
Available in the
there's
Atal
some
portal.
network issue. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So these things, unless you complete these things, your certificate will not be generated. So one by you, that is the submission of feedback, and 2 things I'll be doing, entering the marks and entering your attendance. Okay, so not that tomorrow I'll be doing, give me some more time. So because I need to look into all these chats and all these Google Meet app to get your attendance. I'm not very rigid, but at least I'll keep some document ready with me so that in future nobody from the hotel side will raise the query that how can you give this many attendance. So I'll keep something ready and then I'll enter the attendance and the quiz marks. Okay. So with this, shall I declare that this FDP is over?
Okay, ma'am. So we have to give our feedback on Atal side.
2 feedbacks. One is on the Atal portal, definitely. Another also, I'll be sending a link with you. Try to complete that.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, for feedback in Atal FDP also we will send through the mail?
No,
Or-
no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Atal FDP feedback, the one which which is visible to you after you register to Atal portal, there you will get the submit button. So just click on that. It will be submitted to the Atal.
Okay, okay. That what is the deadline to submit in that site?
There is, I don't think any deadline is there, but if you are not submitting, your certificate will not be generated because certificate also will be generated through the Atal portal.
Okay, ma'am.
So after completing these 3 steps only, you will see that your certificate is available in the Atal portal. Look at it. In case you find there is some problem and you don't have the access to your certificate, let me know. Okay. So I think now things are clear. Yeah.
हमारे केबिन में चूहा घुसा है अभी.
My God. Okay, so let me declare that. So this is the end of this FDP. Again, see you all in some future event.
चूहा यहाँ से गया वो.
Okay. So thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Welcome.
Thanks again, ma'am.
Welcome, Aradhana.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.